Assalamu alaikum. Our today's video is about migraine. Migraine is a part of primary headache, but it is very worse. I can say it is severe headache. The migraine pain is throbbing pain, or the patient can feel the pulsing sensation one side of head, or it can be both sides. People affected by migraine, the 60% they have one side of head, but the remaining 40% experience both sides of the head. The migraine pain is not sudden. It has some warning sign, but it is not mandatory. The warning sign can be for all. Some people experience migraine at sudden without any warning sign. Most of them, they are having, for example, the spotlights or dark flash, nausea, vomiting, or dizziness with migraine pain. Migraine attack can be suddenly and can be from hours to days. For example, it can stay up to 72 hours. As I said, it's not sudden, but in some people it's really sudden. Sometimes it is giving the warning sign like blind spots, flashes of light, or tingling sensation in one side of face or leg or one side of whole body. Now we will discuss about stages of migraine. As I said, for the some people they don't experience sudden pain. They are having step by step. So there is 4 stages for migraine, which is prodrome, aura, attack, and postdrome. In prodrome, this happens like 1 to 2 days before starting the headache. Patient experience some body changes. For example, they are having a constipation, they want to eat more, they want to drink more, they are having a mood change, or too much feeling to go to the bathroom for urination. This is like 1 to 2 days before starting the migraine pain. Then it's aura. Aura is about nerve system. It affects the nerve system. For example, the sensation of the one side of the face, or in the arm, or in the leg, or one side of whole body. Our patient can experience some bright spot, flashes of light, or vision loss. This patient, they may experience speaking difficulty also, and they are having a uncontrolled jerking or some other movement problem. This is aura, all about nerve. Now the third stage is about attack, when the pain start. Migraine patient are having a severe pain. The pain can be one side. The 60% people, they are having a one side, and the remaining 40% they may have both side pain. And pain is more sensitive to light and sound. This pain can get more worse with smell and with touch. Patient is having a nausea and vomiting, and the pain can go like up to 72 hours. Sometimes it's more than this one. Now the last stage is postdrome. This is after the pain, when the pain is relieved. In this stage, patient may feel confused or short time lost of memory, or washed out or drained out, which means the patient don't remember for short time what was in his life. Now we will discuss about when to see the doctor, because sometimes this headache is not a normal headache, so we need to see the doctor. There are some certain signs when we should see the doctors. It is when the patient is having a severe headache with nausea and vomiting, the patient should see must doctor. Our patient is experiencing suddenly headache, a new headache after the age of 58. Patients should see the doctor when patient is having a headache with the fever, nausea, vomiting, vision loss, double vision, or speaking problem. Headache after the head injury. Our patient is feeling headache especially after the exhaustion, coughing, harsh training or with sudden movement. In these situations, patient should see must doctor. As I explained in the start also, the migraine is very wide topic, so I decided to make this video into 2 episodes. In first episode, we already discussed about migraine, what is a migraine, what is a sign of migraine, and what are the symptoms and stages of migraine, and when we should see the doctor. Inshallah, in next episode we will discuss about age factors and some other factors affecting the migraine and causes of headache and how we can control it, like I can say treatment. Okay, so if you really like my video and you want to get more videos related to the medical, then subscribe this channel and share it with your family and friend.